Previously on noprosrc.
That's my trusty utility knife. Never leave home without it.
This week, the Beast versus Grom. Drag race.
Go.
Enemies.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you the Beast Pro that was purchased by purchased at Temu. I'm going to see how it stands up against the Arrma Granite Grom RC. We're going to have a little drag race. I briefly unboxed this on TikTok. You can check that video out. We're going to race it here and see how well it does against the Arrma. There's our little divider line, and the first to the flags from the beginning over there will be the winner. We'll probably do a couple races. We'll do as many races as we can before it starts raining. Let's get it.
I'm moving on my toes with the tools that take it, so I ain't cool with all these
Race
but
one.
I'm cruising on the
On your
road.
mark.
These stories that I told,
Get set.
no glory for yourself.
Go. And the Arrma wins because the Beast was a little. He's got to get used to the Beast. The Beast was all over the place. Back to the starting grid. On your marks, get set, go. And the Arrma takes it again. On your marks. Technically, if you cross this line, that's disqualification, but we're not going to do that. So anyway, on your marks, get set, go. The Arrma wins again. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to trade cars and see if that makes a difference. Is it the driver or is it the actual vehicle? So now I have the Beast, and the boy has the Arrma. Let me get a quick grasp of how she runs, real quick. She's a little bouncy, that's for sure. On your marks, get set, go. The Beast takes that one because the Arrma got a little loose. On your mark, get set, go. The Beast takes it. On your marks, get set, go. The Beast takes that one. Huh. So could it be the driver? On your mark, get set, go. The Arrma takes that one. Okay, now I'm confused, guys. Both are super fun to run, but I can't decide. I think the Arrma has more wins, but the Beast is certainly capable. Let's go again. On your mark, get set, go. And the Beast takes the lead. And the Beast wins that one. These things are squirrely, so they are not recommended for kids. The Beast Pro is definitely for pros. These are not toys, these are hobby grade. Move up just a bit. Alright, we're gonna run it again. On your mark, get set, go. And it's neck and neck. Oh, that is a photo finish, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know who takes that one. The beast definitely has good brakes. All right, we're gonna go again. On your mark, get set, go. Good start, and the beast is in the lead. I don't know who won that. We have another photo finish, ladies and gentlemen. This is getting to be very interesting. Looks like the beast is holding its own.
Which one do you like?
Okay, so let's line them up one more time. Go. The beast is in the lead, and the beast takes that win. This little guy is so fun. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this episode of noprosrc. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We want our community to grow, and you also have to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Both of these RCs are a blast to drive. They're both fun. I really can't choose one from the other. And at this point my camera stopped recording for some reason, so I have to do a voiceover. Like I was saying, I can't choose one over the other, so it's basically user preference. If you like the Arrma, you like the Arrma. If you like the Beast Pro from Temu, you like the Beast Pro. It's up to you. I like them both, so I'm not going to choose one over the other. I will leave that up to the viewer to decide. And with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to watch our video, and we will see you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.